Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to turn on llms.txt file on WordPress using a plugin. Today we'll use all-in-one SEO plugin. So first you have to go to the dashboard of your WordPress and then hover your mouse here under all-in-one SEO, then go to the sitemaps. Once you click the sitemap, you'll be able to see a couple of options here. You have to click here llms.txt. So by default, it is not turned on. You have to turn it on first. Click here and then select Save Changes. And then you'll be able to see this link. Click here to see the llms.txt file that you just generated using the all-in-one SEO plugin. So it will come with tons of information like the sitemaps, posts, pages you have, and also categories and tags, many things. You can just check the one you have. Okay, then comes the pro option. If you want to have more text on your llms.txt, you'll have to sign up for their pro feature. Honestly speaking, I don't think it is needed. You can just you're fine with just the free option. And if you want to make some customizations, their settings are below. You just have to explore this by yourself. There are tons of options here. If you want to include taxonomies or not, or the post types, you'll get it. So this is how you turn on the llms.txt file using the AIOSEO, which is all-in-one SEO plugin for free. Please subscribe to our channel as we offer amazing information almost every day. Thanks a lot.